Hi, I'm John Marr, and I'd like to share with you how I can increase your business dramatically, while at the same time helping you to better protect all of your clients in the area of risk. You see, I'm very much like you. I was an advisor. That is until I became an agency manager at age 28, where I had 34 advisors under my care. That is until I reached age 42. When on a beautiful Sunday afternoon I was going to a cricket function. Instead, I was involved in a horrific car crash. I was under 4 specialists, and within 4 months they all told me that I would never work again. Thankfully, that is not the case, because here I am. I did, however, spend 16 years on income protection, either on full payment or on partial income protection payments. Industry statistics tell us that 69%, yes, 69% of all income earners in Australia do not have income protection. I'm so fortunate that I was in the insurance industry, because I can tell you that income protection saved us financially as a family. I know that as you advise your clients that you recommend income protection. And I know also that many of those clients have rejected that recommendation. And they are currently at grave risk, as you know. I'm a keynote speaker, and I can become your greatest asset. If you run a client seminar and you bring me to your client seminar and your clients hear my true life story, it will frighten the pants off them. You see, not only did I have my car crash, in which my family and I thought it was the worst thing that could have possibly happened to us, it wasn't. Because just 2.5 years later, my beautiful youngest daughter Carmen, aged 18 years and 3 months, went to sleep at the wheel, crashed into a tree and was killed. I can tell you that life doesn't just hand out red roses. And when your clients hear my true life story, you won't have to telephone them to make an appointment. While they're there, they will demand from you an appointment. And you can better protect those clients who you already know are in grave risk of losing everything. Should they have a life-changing event such as a car crash, a stroke, heart attack, get Parkinson's disease, motor neurone disease, or fall off the roof, they are in grave risk of losing everything. You and I both know the first thing that they will stop paying is their insurance premiums, because they can't afford them. The next thing they will stop is their house payments, and the bank will be forced to sell their house out from under them, and they will lose their home. They will be forced to take their children out of their school of choice, and financial pressures cause incredible hardships on families, and families break down. I know that's not what you want for your clients, and your clients don't want that, but they don't truly understand the danger that they're in at the moment. When your client walks into your office and says to you, "My partner has just had a massive stroke. Where do we stand?" I know that you will want to be able to say to them, "We have put in place income protection. Financially, we will work through this. I'll fill out the paperwork. You go home and look after your partner, and let's put the wheels in motion so that we can put your income protection to work." That's what you want to be able to say to your clients. The thing that you don't want to have to say to your client is, "I'm really sorry, but you don't have income protection." Because you and I both know they are about to lose everything. You should be now asking yourself, "I wonder how good his presentation is." Well, I can tell you. MDRT Australia recommended my presentation to the $1 Million Roundtable, and I'm proud to say that I'm representing Australia in Vancouver, Canada in June this year at the $1 Million Roundtable Conference. On the 4th of December 2015, I was named Australian of the Day. And I've also worked with 2 banks in Australia with their insurance arms. And in a 10-month period, we tripled, yes, tripled their income protection premiums. What that meant, it wasn't just the premiums. The fact was that their clients were better protected. And I know that that's what you want. This is your duty of care to your clients. And I feel that my duty of care to you is to encourage you to run a client seminar and encourage you to bring me to your clients so they can hear my true life story. And they will demand from you that appointment so that you can put in place for them that income protection that they so desperately need. And with 69% of all income earners in Australia without income protection, there is a massive market out there. My name is John Marr, and I'm a keynote speaker. And at your next client seminar, I will be your greatest asset.